Today we are making the softest, fluffiest milk loaf bread, perfect for sandwiches, toast, or just a delicious slice on its own. Let's dive in and get baking. Start by measuring out 450 grams of strong bread flour. Add 4 grams of yeast, 10 grams of sugar, 7 grams of salt, 25 grams of softened butter. These simple ingredients come together to create a beautifully rich and flavorful loaf. Pour in a third of your milk. Mix it in, then add the remaining milk. Keep mixing until everything comes together, forming a rough dough. Transfer the dough to a flat workspace. Knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Now place the dough into a likely oil bowl, cover it, and let it proof for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, gently fold it to release some air, but don't punch it down. This keeps it soft and fluffy. Flour your workspace again. Gently shape into a rough rectangle about the length of your loaf pan. You don't need to press too hard, just stretch it lightly with your fingertips to get an even thickness. Now take the long edge and fold it in half. Next take the bottom part and roll the dough up. Place the dough in the well-oiled loaf pan. Leave it to proof for 40 minutes or double in size. Preheat your oven to 220 Celsius. Right before baking, feel free to score the top of the loaf for a decorative touch. Bake for 35 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the loaf sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Let the bread cool in the loaf pan for 5 minutes, then transfer it to a cooling rack. Allow it to cool for at least an hour before slicing. Enjoy!